Since I was 15, I've been using video editing tools and kept switching from one to another. Even video editing hasn't been my full-time job, but for different purposes like creating my course or producing all kinds of YouTube videos, among other things, I'm always trying different video editing tools out there. Now in this video, I try to gather not all, but most of the trending and popular video editors available for all kinds of devices. My hope is that after this video, you have at least a rough idea which tools are better for you to start with. I must say that the order of items presented in this video is solely based on alphabetical order. However, I'll be giving you my recommendations with the scores between 1 to 3 stars. Tool number 1. After Effects. After Effects is a powerful software used for creating animations and cinematic visual effects. You need to know that it's not designed mainly for video editing, and you should use it when you want to add animation and cinematic effects to your video. I use it usually when I want to create a short introduction for videos, but do the actual video editing with other tools. It's not free, but there is a limited free trial for Mac and Windows, so it's recommended only for professional visual works. Tool number 2. Blender. Blender is primarily known as a 3D modeling and animation software. However, it also includes a powerful built-in video editor. It's recommended to use it when you want to add animations and 3D modeling to your videos. Otherwise, it's not really handy only for video editing purposes. Blender is completely free and available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. Tool number 3. Camtasia. A couple of years ago, I used Camtasia to record and edit my machine learning course. It is mainly a screen and camera recording software, which is widely used for creating professional-looking tutorials. However, it has a really handy video editor that makes it also a good choice for quick video editing purposes. Unfortunately, Camtasia comes with a price, but luckily it has a free trial version as well. Tool number 4. Canva. Canva is mainly known as a user-friendly graphic design platform, but actually it offers much more options like video editing. Canva video editing tool is really handy and offers a lot of effects and animations to add to your video. So it's good for quickly editing videos for social media, but not for professional long videos with tens of layers. The good part of Canva is that it also has an online app, so you don't have to install the software on your computer. Tool number 5. CapCut. These days, CapCut is a really famous video editing app developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. Recently, I've started to use CapCut to edit my other YouTube channel's videos, mainly because of its auto-captioning feature, color filters, and text motions. It is really powerful and at the same time really easy to use. It's mainly designed for social media video editing, but you can use it for other purposes. It's available for mobiles and desktop computers, and also through browsers. More importantly, it's free of charge. Tool number 6. Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a Microsoft video editing tool that you can use either on Windows or directly on the web. Clipchamp is not entirely free, but it has a free version suitable for quick video editing. Clipchamp is also a screen recorder tool with a lot of AI features like text-to-speech, auto captions, and silence removal. Tool number 7. Corel Video Studio. Corel Video Studio, in my opinion, is considered a classic video editing tool with a lot of features to offer. Features like transitions, filters, motion tracking, and a 360-degree video editing. It's mostly suitable for those who are interested in working with Corel products. It has a 30-day trial and available only for Windows. Tool number 8. Cyberlink Power Director. Power Director is a really powerful editing tool with a lot of AI features like auto face blur, anim video effects, background removal, motion tracking, body effects, blending, and more. However, it's not entirely free, but it's really handy and at the same time powerful, and also it's available for Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. Tool number 9. DaVinci Resolve. I can say that at the moment I do my main video edits mostly with DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is one of the most popular and powerful video editing tools out there. It's mainly known for its color grading feature, which is really advanced. However, its features are not limited to that. It's been used for many productions in Hollywood. It's free and available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. However, it has a steep learning curve, but it is worth it if you do video editing all the time. Tool number 10. Descript. Descript is not exactly a video editor, but has a lot of AI-based features that can help you during editing your videos. Features like eye tracking, scripting, voice cloning, silence removal, and many more. Tool number 11. Adobe Express. Express is a lightweight handy video editing tool by Adobe that can be used directly on the web. It has a limited free version, which is good for normal jobs. The good point about Adobe Express is that it has access to all the templates, images, and effects of Adobe. It's mainly useful for creating creative short videos. I would say it's kind of similar to Canva. Tool number 12, Filmora. Filmora is a modern video editing tool with a lot of AI features like silence detection, smart cut, ready-to-use presets, green screen, speed ramping, and much more. But these features come with a price. However, there is a free trial version for it. Tool number 13, Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is one of the popular macOS video editing tools that comes with a lot of useful features out of the box, like the object tracking feature to add dynamic text or click to track cinematic features. The most important thing about Final Cut Pro is that it's optimized for Mac. However, in order to use Final Cut Pro, you have to buy the product and it's not cheap at all. Tool number 14, Frame.io. Frame.io is a great tool when it comes to work on a video editing project with a team. You can share your comments and work together on the project. It's cloud-based and you can use it instantly on the web. There is a limited free version which is good enough for starters. Tool number 15, HitFilm. HitFilm is a really handy and of course free video editing tool for macOS and Windows devices. It combines editing, compositing, and VFX tools in one package. Since it's developed by Artlist, it's a good tool to invest in learning wise. Tool number 16, iMovie. iMovie is my favorite tool when I want to do video editing quickly on my iPhone, like attaching some clips, using transitions, and adding some background music. iMovie is an Apple product and should be already installed on your iPhone or Mac. It's really handy and easy to use, and if you're looking for a simple video editing tool, it's a good option if you use an iPhone or Mac. Tool number 70, Nvidia.io. Nvidia.io is basically a video generating cloud-based platform. It's not mainly designed for video editing, but you can do some minor video editing with it, especially when the end goal is to generate your videos using AI. Tool number 18, Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a really powerful tool among open source tools out there, but it doesn't have that much popularity these days. A lot of people compare it with DaVinci Resolve and prefer DaVinci Resolve over Kdenlive, which is I think mostly because of the better user experience of DaVinci Resolve. And since Kdenlive is an open source tool, the fixing issue period is longer. Tool number 19, KineMaster. KineMaster is a video editing tool for iOS and Android devices that can help you to edit your videos for social media and add effects to it as fast as possible. KineMaster has a lot of ready-to-use video templates that make creating creative videos really easy. Tool number 20, Lightworks. At the first glance, it seems that Lightworks isn't really popular for normal users, but as a matter of fact, it's a really powerful tool for professionals in the movie industry. Lightworks has been used for the production of some greatest Hollywood movies like The Wolf of Wall Street and Pulp Fiction. There is a limited free version to test the tool. Tool number 21, Luxo Pro. Luxo Pro is one of those powerful but not really popular video editing tools out there. Why? I don't know. It has a built-in video recording and has very impressive transition effects. Among paid tools, it seems really affordable, however it only supports Windows. Tool number 22, Movavi. Movavi is a new user-friendly video editor with a lot of features like AI background removal, noise removal, color correction, and a lot of ready-to-use effects and assets. It is available for Windows and macOS, and also has a free limited version. I recommend this especially for producing creative social media videos. Tool number 23, Movie Maker. The famous built-in video editor in Windows is Movie Maker. You can say it's the equivalent of Apple iMovie for Windows. New Movie Maker has a lot of cool features that can be quite enough for a simple editing job. Tool number 24, Movie Maker Online. Movie Maker Online is a really simple but handy website for video editing. It's recommended when you are in a rush and you want to do a quick video edit like splitting videos, adding background music, and adding text. Tool number 25, OBS. OBS is basically a free screen and camera recorder. OBS is really powerful for recording and streaming, but it's not considered a video editor. For instance, you can remove the green background while recording or streaming. Tool number 26, Olive Video Editor. Olive Video Editor is an open source video editor, but it's not that popular. However, one of its features is its node editor, which is really powerful for transforming and adding effects. It's available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. Tool number 27, Online Video Cutter. Online Video Cutter is an online video editor which is really easy to use but is more advanced than Movie Maker Online. It is also recommended when you have a light video editing job, including splitting, attaching, trimming, and cropping video clips. Tool number 28, OpenShot. I used to use OpenShot before switching to DaVinci Resolve. The reason I switched from OpenShot was because of its performance for long videos. However, with the new version, the performance is much better. OpenShot is considered one of the famous open source and free video editors out there. OpenShot is a good option if you're looking for a classic video editor. Tool number 29, Pinnacle Studio. Pinnacle Studio is a professional video editor with a lot of powerful features like advanced color grading, removing distractions, object tracking, blending, and many more. It also has a nice built-in screen recorder. However, those features come with a price, but you can use the free trial version. Tool number 30, Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is the most popular video editor and doesn't really need any introduction. However, over the past few years, a lot of users switched from Adobe Premiere to other tools like DaVinci Resolve, mainly because it has some crashes from time to time, and it's not free. Since it's an Adobe product, Premiere probably will remain one of the most powerful tools out there. So for the long run, it's a good choice to go with if you want to be a professional video editor. Tool number 31, Runway ML. Runway ML is one of the most innovative AI-based editors these days. It has many amazing AI features like background removal, in-painting to remove objects, motion tracking, super slow motion, face blurring, and many more. It's more famous because of its AI features rather than the video editing feature. Runway ML offers a limited free version that is good enough for most projects. Tool number 32, Adobe Rush. Rush is another tool from Adobe family which is really similar to Adobe Express, but I can say it's more advanced in terms of video editing features. However, in contrast to Adobe Express, there isn't direct access on the web for Adobe Rush. Tool number 33, Shotcut. Shotcut is another popular open source and free video editing tool. In fact, Shotcut and OpenShot were really demanding before DaVinci Resolve joined the show as another free editing tool. Tool number 34, SliceApp. SliceApp is one of those trending mobile-based video editing tools that is suitable for producing creative social media videos. SliceApp provides the user with features beyond basic video editing options, like speed ramping, removing background, auto subtitles, and more. It's a handy app for regular social media editings. Tool number 35, Vid.io. Vid.io is one of the best online video editors that is accessible directly on the web through browsers. In addition to the main video editing features, Vid.io includes a lot of templates and assets that you can use out of the box. There is a limited free version for it, but to be able to get the best out of it, you need to pay some money. It's a good platform if you prefer to do cloud-based video editing, which is probably the future of all tools. Tool number 36, Vegas Pro. If you want to have a full option editor and you're willing to pay some money for it, I'd say go with Vegas Pro. It's a professional video editing tool with a really user-friendly UI and a long list of basic and AI features. A few of those features are AI text-to-speech, speech-to-text, language translation, HDR color grading, AI style transfer, and many more. And last but not least, tool number 37, VSDC Video Editor. VSDC Free Video Editor is another Windows-based tool which is actually really powerful and gives you a lot of flexibility and control over your editing process. There's also a pro version with a lot more options like AI-based features. Well, this was pretty much the list of video editing tools from which you can choose one or more tools for your video editing purposes. However, there are a lot of more tools out there available, softwares like Cinelera, PTV, VVideo, and many more. hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.